Good morning everyone. This is your English period and today is Tuesday 15th December 2020. Our topic is using is, are and was, were. This is your junior English book page number 31. Okay, let's know where we have to use is, are, was, were. We use is and are when we are talking about the present, and we will use was or were when we will talk about past. We use is for one. We use are for more than one. Here we have one circle. So we will say this is a circle. Here we have two circles. What we'll say? These are two circles. Now come to this one. This is one car. We will say this is one car. Okay, how many cars? These are three cars. We will use are because these cars are more than one. Come to the next. This is a capsicum. Because it's one capsicum, so we will use is. This is one capsicum and these are 5 capsicums. These are 5 capsicums. In the same way, we will use was for one thing and were for more than one thing. Okay, let's come towards the bookwork. Okay students, this is your junior English book. All of you open page number 31. This is your page 31. Topic is using is and are, using was and were. First of all, we look at the example. The tree is bare. We use is for one tree. The tree is bare. These trees are bare. We use are for more than one. We use was for one person or thing. We use were for more than one person or thing. Let's come towards the exercise A. Fill each space with is or are. This apple is so. One apple, so we will write here is. These apples dash so. Apples are plural, more than one. We'll write are. The dash the house old, one house. What we'll write is dash the houses old. Houses are more than one. We'll write here are. Okay. In the same way, you will complete this exercise. Now come towards exercise B. Fill each space with was or were. As I have already told you that was is used for one person or thing and we use were for more than one person or thing. One egg dash cracked. One egg was cracked. 3 eggs were cracked. The girls dash skipping. The girl is singular. One girl. We'll write was. The girls are skipping, were skipping, because the girls are more than one. Same you will do with line number 3 and line number 4. Complete your work quickly and send me the pictures.